What's good, people? Back with me, Claudia Still.
And me, Clayton Dio.
Today we're in IKEA Kota Baru Parahyangan in Padalarang. So we're just going to go inside and explore everything inside IKEA. Let's go. Alright guys, so before you go in IKEA, you need to book like several days before in ikea.co.id. And we get the slot for 12 o'clock, but now it's still 11 o'clock. So yeah, we're waiting right now.
And this place has a limitation of people to avoid the spread of COVID-19.
So this is our food over here. See, there are meatballs. This is rice with chicken, and also there's smoked salmon. So these are the things that you need to try because it's really, really good.
So if you order the chocolate, don't forget to put this in the microwave right over there.
Alright guys, now we're going to eat. Don't forget to wash your hands and we can continue eating. Here we go. So what do you order, Clayton?
So I order meatballs and smoked salmon and that right there that I just microwaved before, that you just see before. That's the chocolate lava.
Yeah, nice. And I ordered the same, actually that's the same exact thing as Clayton ordered, but without the chocolate lava. Look at this view though. Nice. You can see the IKEA logo from here. Alright guys, so we're going to try the salmon one first. What you want to do is grab this and then roll it up with all of the vegetables. Roll it up. You can. Then you can dip it in the mustard sauce over here and we can try to eat. Alright guys, the salmon is fresh and it's still juicy, and also this mustard sauce really combines the taste of the salmon and with the vegetables also.
So I've tried some of these food, and the meatball is really nice, really juicy, and it blends in with the sauce, especially with the raspberry sauce. And the mashed potato is really soft, it's really nice, and the mixed vegetables blend in properly. So we're just going to eat the chocolate right now.
Guys, we are already full and now we need to clean up for ourselves in here. So here we go, we're cleaning up. Let's go. So here we go, laying the stuff back.
So we're done eating and now we're going to explore the other places, maybe furnitures or maybe stuff
Pillows.
like this.
Here we go.
Here we go.
So here we are in one of the parts in IKEA. Here's Clayton. This is mostly chairs. As you can see, chairs and like sofas. So yeah.
Table, shelf,
Doggos. A lot of doggos.
Eating mostly though.
Yeah, exactly. I just came here for the food.
Lagi bikin sini. Same.
Iya dong.
Apa? IKEA.
Iya. Halo. Basketball.
Soccer ball.
Sink. This is where you wash your hands. So guys, this is the adjustable table. Here we are. This is the adjustable table, so you can work while you're sitting down or standing up. You just need to press the button and it's gonna go up. It looks really cool. This is the automatic one, but you can crank it up manually. There's another one over there. We are entering the baby place. This is all for the babies. Mostly there are some cradles and also some dolls over there. Yeah, you can buy stuff if you have a little kid, like a son or a child. Guys, we are already done exploring the first floor of the IKEA furniture stuff. Now we're going to go down to the market hall. This is what you call monkey. Yes. So guys, this is the lamps area. There are many lamps and lights over here. This place is really lit. Okay, that was an unfunny joke. Anyway, so this one is the lamp that you can pull and close and open like this. Oh. Try to open it again. Yeah.
Now we have seen big furniture, small furniture. However, we can't take the big furniture home by ourselves. We can't just lift it up. That will be heavy. So we're going to take the big furniture over there inside the boxes.
You can take it there. And also that's a really good photo spot.
So IKEA makes a lot of things flat to make the product cheaper, and it's more easy to ship.
So guys, this is the box place. This is where they keep all of the furniture, the big one, the one that we can take home. And this is also a really good Instagrammable picture place, you can see. So guys, this is the cashier. This is where you pay all of your stuff. Our parents bought some container for food, so they're paying right over there. And yeah, after this we're going to buy like one of the famous ice cream in IKEA, and we're just going to taste what it tastes like. Yeah. So apparently after we pay, we just get this. There's no ice cream.
It's a scam.
Yeah, no, just kidding. We can take the ice cream with the cone and also the cup over there. So after you pay, you're gonna be given one coin like this for each ice cream. Which one to do it? Over here. Oh my god. Just go to put the coin over here. And press this. Thank you guys for watching our trip to IKEA, and this is for the ice cream, as you can see before. We're going to eat it later on the way home. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop a like down there.
Comment down below your thoughts, any of your thoughts. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll get notified for every videos that I'll be posting every Friday, 5 p.m. GMT+7.
Thank you guys for watching.
Stay lit, people.
Whoop.